Unboxing the DayLite HDi Surgical Complete. Let's go over each of the components included in your new lighting system. Cleaning cloth, power pack charger, charger cable, blue headlight cable, belt clip, cable clip kit, adjusting tool, power pack with holster, attach belt clip to back of holster. Now, let's set up your new lighting system. Attach headlight to T-mount bracket on the frame. The Surgical HDi Complete is compatible with the following headlights: Ultra Mini HDi Surgical, DayLite HDi, Ultra Mini HDi Panoramic Spot. Angle the light to your desired position, then lock in place with the included adjustment tool. Locate the cable clip kit and select one of the spiral cable clips. Slide the cable clip on the temple of the frame. Plug the micro USB end of the cable into headlight. Wrap the cable clip around the blue headlight cable to secure to frame. Now, plug the USB-A end of the cable into the power pack. Press the power button on the pack to turn the headlight on. The light will cycle through high, medium, then off.